Are you tired of last-minute stress when filing taxes? It's a common feeling, but it doesn't have to be that way. With a bit of preparation and organization, you can make the process much smoother and less stressful. Let me help you organize the top 5 tax documents you'll need. By having these documents ready, you can ensure a seamless and efficient tax filing experience. First, gather your income statements, such as payslips or income declarations. These documents are crucial as they provide a detailed record of your earnings throughout the year. This ensures you report all earnings correctly. Missing out on any income can lead to discrepancies and potential issues with the tax authorities. Download these from your employer's portal and keep them handy. It's always a good idea to have both digital and physical copies for easy access. If you're eligible for deductions like travel expenses, home office costs, or childcare, keep all receipts handy. These deductions can significantly reduce your taxable income. These can save you money. Every little bit helps, and these deductions can add up to substantial savings over time. Scan them with a phone app to stay organized and avoid paper clutter. There are many apps available that can help you keep track of your receipts digitally, making it easier to find them when needed. Your annual tax statement from Skatteverket outlines how much tax you've already paid. This document is essential for ensuring that you don't overpay or underpay your taxes. This is essential for accurate filing. Double-checking this statement can help you catch any errors before they become a problem. Visit the Skatteverket website to download your statement and review it carefully. Make sure all the information matches your records to avoid any discrepancies. If you've invested in stocks or funds, make sure to have records of any gains, losses, and dividends. These investments can have a significant impact on your tax situation. These must be reported. Failing to report investment income can lead to penalties and interest charges. Keep a detailed record of your transactions and ensure you include all necessary information. This will make it easier to report your investment income accurately. Don't forget your loan interest statements. These documents can provide valuable deductions that reduce your taxable income. These can often qualify for deductions and reduce your taxable income. Make sure to check with your bank for the exact amount of interest paid. Obtain these from your bank and highlight the interest paid section to make filing easier. Having this information readily available can save you time and hassle. Now you're ready to file your taxes stress-free. With all your documents organized and ready, you can approach tax season with confidence and peace of mind. Subscribe for more easy tax tips and share this video with anyone filing taxes this year. By staying informed and prepared, you can make tax season a breeze for yourself and others.